Welcome to our ASC Mathematical and Dynamical Tutorial Center. Today I will discuss about the factorization. Factorization in the second order equation. Today we will discuss about the second order equation, how we want to factorize. This is the problems. So only first problem x squared but without coefficient. Next problem x squared in the coefficient. Third problem, x squared plus 3x plus 1. Why I have to given in the problem means sometimes it is not possible to factorize. We want to use the formula. This is one type of second order equation. This is the fraction types. So sometimes they will give the after equal to some values. So this is one type. Another one, how it is possible to factorization. Otherwise, what we want to do. These are the types only in the factorization. If you know very well in the factorization for the second order equation, so you know other way. Only these are the types. This is one type, another one type. These are the types. If you know the 5 types of the factorization problems, you can solve easy. So one by one, I solve you. Just you see carefully, then you can understand very well. First problem. So x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So what you want to do, first of all you see any, and it is a second order equation. The second order equation, the coefficient of x square here 1. So almost each second order equation, the coefficient of x square 1 means it is one type of equations. So how without coefficient of x square, how we want to factorization? So just you multiply in the coefficient of x square, the number here 1 is there, 1 into 6, you have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant. This is the constant, this is the coefficient of x square, this is the coefficient of x. So you have to read likewise. So now what we want to do, in the coefficient of x square means here 1 into constant, you have to multiply. So multiply 1 into 6 with the sign. Here positive 6, so that I didn't write. But if any number didn't put any sign means you have to consider it is a positive. So here 1 is no sign means positive, 6 no sign means it is a positive. So 1 into 6 equal to 6. So you have to multiply. Multiply means it is a 6. So now what are the possibilities? You can get the 6 means the multiplication. 1 into 6, 6. Another possibility is 2 into 3. This is the next possibilities. Another possibility 3 into 2, no need to write. Because 2 into 3, 3 into 2 the same way. So no need to write. We can stop up to here. So this is the first step of factorization for the second order equation. First you have to multiply coefficient of x squared and the constant. What is the value? Positive 6. The positive 6 if you write means immediately you think about what are the possibilities to get the 6. 1 into 6, 2 into 3. This is the possibilities to get the 6. No other way. Then just you see the coefficient of x. What is the value? Negative 5. So here negative 5. So now two things you have to concentrate. One is you have to multiply the two numbers. You want to get the positive 6. Another one, if you add and subtract, you want to get the minus 5. So here we want to check which one possibilities. So now I check one by one. Here negative, here positive. If I put means, if I multiply, I will get the minus 6. But here not minus 6. Here positive 6. So it is not possibilities too. Another, you change the sign. Here positive, here negative means, if you multiply, you will get the negative 6. It is also not negative 6. So no need. Suppose if you multiply directly 1 into 6 means, you can get the 6. But if you add, you will get the 7. If you subtract means positive or negative means you want to put sign like this. But if you do it means you didn't get the negative 6, but it's not possible. So next another way, I check it here, negative, negative. If you multiply minus 2 into minus 3, you will get the positive 6. If you add, you can get the minus 5. So this is the possibilities. So you want to check like this. This is the main step of factorization for the second order equation. If you know very well, then you can solve any problem. So now here it is a possibilities means you have to look the coefficient of x squared 1 means you have to directly you write x. So in the x squared two types of you have to split x for the particular number minus 2, another one x because x squared, so that first x is here, another x is here, minus 3 equal to 0. So how you have to call this means it is a factor. It is a factor, we want to find the root. So x minus 2 separate means separated the 0 for this one and also this one. So x minus 3 equal to 0. So here x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. So the two values, it is a root for this second order equation. So the factorization means you have to find the value up to here. It is a factor for this equation, but we have to find the up to root. So x minus 2, if you write like this means you want to call it is a factor. X equal to 2, if you write means it is a root for this equations. This is the factorization for this equation without coefficient of x squared. Come to next problem. Here coefficient is there. So how you want to solve? I will teach you next problem. Second problem, 3x square plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. In the same way you have to follow. So here coefficient of x squared is equal to 3, coefficient of x equal to plus 4, constant minus 4. So you have to follow the same way. You have to multiply coefficient of x squared into constant. What is the value? But here negative 4. So 3 into negative 4 equal to negative 12. This is the first one. Then second one, what do you want to do? What are the possibilities? 1 into 12. Second one, 2 into 6. Third one, 3 into 4. Fourth one, 4 into 3, no need. You have to stop up to here. So next, you want to check what is the coefficient of x. X is here positive 4. Positive 4. So now you have to multiply the two numbers. You want to get negative 12. You want to add and subtract. You want to get the positive 4. This is the two points you have to think and you want to verify. If it is correct, any two numbers you have to substitute here. This is the main step. First of all, first possibilities I check it. 1 into 12 is okay. 1 into 12, but the negative 12 we need. So I want to change the sign. Suppose if I put the negative here, positive here means I multiply. 1 into negative 12 is okay, but here positive 4 we didn't get. So it is not possible. Second one, 2 into 6, almost 12. So I want to put sign. Here negative, here positive. If I put. Otherwise you change the sign, then you check it. If whether which one is possibility, then you want to find the answer. So here negative 2, positive 6 means you have to multiply, you will get the negative 12. You add and subtract means sign different. Already I teach you in the previous video. You have to go through my YouTube channel video, you can get the points. Minus 2 plus 6. That means you have to sign different. You want to subtract from the big number to small number. 6 to 6 from 2 means it is a 4. So positive, big number sign is positive. So that it is possibilities. So next one, here no possibilities because any one number it belongs to minus or plus. Otherwise it is a plus, here minus. If you multiply you can get the minus 12, but it is not possible to get the 4. So it is not possible. Only it is a possible. So but in the coefficient of x squared here is there. So how you want to write it means 3x. You want to start like this. But in the previous sum, the coefficient of x squared 1, so that we can write only x. But here coefficient of x squared is 3. So you have to write like this 3x. Then you have to write 2. Then 3x plus 6 divided by 3. So this is the main steps. So when you get a coefficient of x squared any number means you have to follow. This is the main step, important step. If you follow, then you have to get the factor. So the next point, 3x minus 2. So here it is a common value, 3 is there. You have to take a common. Say x plus 2 divided by 3. So you have to cancel it. Equal to 0 to 0. Then 3x minus 2 x plus 2 equal to 0. Separate it. 3x minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the enough for the factorization for this second order equation. But if you find up to root means you have to follow another two steps. Here 3x equal to 2, because the negative 2 goes to the right side means it is a positive 2. So x equal to 2 by 3. This is the one. X equal to minus 2. This is another one. The two values is the root for this equations, but the title is factorization. Factorization means you have to find up to this step. This is for second step. So we have first problem without coefficient of x squared, but here the coefficient of x squared is 3. So this is the different from the first problem. So third problem. X squared plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. The same way you have to check it the possibilities. So here you have to multiply, because without coefficient x square equal to 1. So 1 into constant you have to multiply. It is a 1. What are the possibilities? So 1 into 1, no other way. So what you want to check? Positive 3. So positive 3. Here you see, if you multiply two numbers you want to get the 1, but if you add and subtract you want to get 3. No possibilities here. So first problem, the coefficient you want to concentrate. Second problem, the coefficient present. Third problem, no possibilities in the verification method. So what we want to do? We want to follow the formula method. Suppose when you get this kind of difficulties, you didn't get any possibilities means immediately you want to recall the formula. So for this kind of problems, immediately you have to use the formula minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is a standard formula. How you want to get the value for this problem means it is a standard formula ax squared plus bx plus c. It is a standard algorithm for the second order. So here just you compare the value for this is the 8 problems. This is the standard algorithm. You compare x squared. What is the coefficient? A means in your problem what is the value? So here only 1. So next one, here x squared and coefficient of x is a b means algorithm, but in your problem x coefficient of x means positive 3. So here in algorithm C, just compare. So here positive 1. So the 3 letters only in your formula. Where you are seeing the letters, you substitute properly, you can get the value. X equal to, formula means minus, what is the p value? Equal to positive 3. Just you put it inside the bracket. Plus or minus root of, what is the p values? 3 square. Minus 4, what is the a value? 1. What is the c value? 1. Divided by 2 into 1. So likewise you have to substitute the value in your formula. But basically you have to recall the formula means it is very important. You have to keep in your mind, because when you didn't get the possibilities means immediately you have to write the formula. Then the formula, if you write properly, then only you can select the value, and also you can substitute. This is very important. So you want to know how to recall the formula, just you go to see the algorithm, you can get the formula. So then x equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus, you want to multiply. 3 square means 9, 4 into 1 means 4. 2 into 1 2. Then next x equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the final answer. Two roots. First one, x equal to minus 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. Another one, x equal to minus 3 minus root 5 by 2. These are the two roots for this equations, the second order equations. So now from the previous, here no coefficient of x square. Here no means it is a 1. Second one, coefficient x square 3. So how you want to solve? Coefficient x square of coefficient 1 means how do you want to solve? Coefficient of x square any number means without 1 means how you want to solve. I already explained you. But the both it is possible to get the factor. So multiplication and add and subtraction means we can get the value. But here, so no possibilities. Possibilities mean directly you have to follow the formula method. This is the formula for second order equation to find the roots. So next one they are giving fraction. So fraction it is also another type of problems. I will teach you. So x square fourth one minus 3 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 equal to 3. So the problem also the same way, but they have given some difficult, some different words. Just you simplify, otherwise you modify the equations, you can get the same equation. Just you see, when you see this kind of equation means you have to multiply with 2 in the numerator. So 2x square minus 3 into 2 divided by 2 x 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 3 into 2. So you have to simplify. So just 2x square, you 2 cancel, the 2 cancel, the 6. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 6. Just you and the 6 come to the left hand side. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 come to that side means it will come minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. So now just you see the second type of equation, you can get the answer. X square minus 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2 equal to 3. Just the equation you want to simplify. How you want to simplify means divide the denominator is 2. So immediately I think if I multiply with the 2 in the equation, so the 2 it will cancel just like this. Cancel. Here also cancel. But other steps you have to multiply. Just you see all the steps I multiply with the 2. Here no 2 but I multiply 2. So here also I multiply 2, the 2 is there. But in the same equation the x is there. 1 by 2 here is there. But I multiply 2, the 2 is there. 3, I multiply 2, this is. If you multiply, you didn't change any value. But you want to simplify the equation, you can adjust in the mathematics. This is the mathematics. Wherever you want to do some adjustment means you can do it. So now I write it 2x square, the 2 to cancel. So minus 3x and the 2 to cancel. 1 is there, 2 into 3 into 2, 6. So now I want to change and the 6 come to the left hand side, 2x square minus 3x. 1 when the number comes to the from right hand side to left hand side means it will come the opposite sign. Here positive, if you come to left hand side means it will get the negative sign. So minus 6 equal to 0. So now here 2 constant is there. You simplify 1. So sign different means you have to subtract from the big number to lower. So 6 minus 1 means it is a 5. But what you want to put sign means in the biggest number sign you have to put in the answer. So I have mentioned here. So 2x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Just you see the second equation. The same thing you are getting. So now you have to follow the factorization method. So you have to multiply 2 into coefficient of x squared into constant. So here 2 into minus 5 equal to minus 10. So now what are the possibilities? 1 into 10, 2 into 5, another 5 into 2. No need to write. I stop here. So now I want to get negative 3. If I add or subtract, I want to get negative 3. This. Now I check it. 1 into 10, but I will put, suppose here are there, minus means I will get the negative 10, but not 3. I didn't get it. So now I check it here. I put minus here. Positive means if I multiply positive 2 into negative 5 means plus into minus minus 2 into 5 10. But if you subtract, because sign different, you have to subtract from the big number to lower number. So 5 minus 2 3. But in the answer is because number sign you have to put in the answer. It is a possibility. Just you select this number. But here the coefficient of x square 2. So how you have to write 2x plus 2, 2x minus 5 divided by 2. Very important, equal to 0. So here 2 is common. You can take 2x plus 1, 2x minus 5 equal to 0 divided by 2. So you can eliminate. So this is the factor for this second order equation. So suppose if you want to find the root means you continue x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1, 2 x equal to 5 by 2. This is the roots for the second order equation. So this is the types. No other way. Only you have to concentrate coefficient. Coefficient is there means how you want to write it. Likewise you have to write. Suppose if you didn't get any possibilities means you have to write the formula type. Otherwise if you get the fraction type means you have to simplify like this way. You can get the any kind of this problem. Then from this problem you have to check it the possibilities. Then you find the roots. Another type of the fifth last problem. X square plus 9 equal to 0. Fifth, this is another type. But here you check it because no the x variable, so directly you can simplify. X squared equal to, it will come goes to the right hand side. Already I told you any number transfer from left hand side to right hand side means it will get the opposite sign. Here positive 9 means it will get the negative sign. So here x square directly you know very well, x equal to root of plus or minus 9. But you know very well x root of 9 means you can write plus or minus 3 because root 9 3. But here negative is there. So x equal to root 9 dot root plus or minus 1. But here x equal to plus or minus root 9 means you can write 3. But in the root of minus 1 you have to learn it is a new one. It is a complex number. You can write I. So this is a new I. So x equal to plus 3i comma minus 3i. This is the two roots. So thank you my dear friends. Likewise I will teach you a lot of concept in mathematics. You watch my video one by one. I will teach easy way. If you are children or if you are a lower level or higher level, college level, any level, no worry, I will teach you. If you need more clarification means you make a call me, I will give the number. Thanks so much.